This video will teach you how to pair and set up zones and scenes with the Wi-Fi receiver. To pair the Wi-Fi receiver to the wireless receiver, press the learning key while in the desired room. Then turn the dial on the zones remote. Light should flash once paired. Zone setup. To change names of zones, select Setting at the bottom of the app. Select Edit Rooms Information. Select Edit at the top left corner of the app and change the settings of each zone that is preferred. Select the writing to change the name. Select the picture to take a picture of the zone. Select, deselect what types are being controlled in that zone. Select the top right corner of the app to return to the main setting page. Deselect setting on the bottom of the app to return to the main remote page. To select the zone to control, select Room at the bottom of the app. Select Zone to control. When preferred zone are selected, deselect Room at the bottom of the app to return to the main remote page. Select Room at the bottom of the app. Press and hold Zone Picture to turn on/off. Select the power button on the main remote page. Scene setup. Select the color you would like to save and return to the main remote page, then press and hold Scene number for 3 seconds. Light should flash when stored successfully. Can also save a preset scene as a stored scene. Select your zone you would like to control and return to the main remote page. Select the Play Pause button in the top left corner. Pressing this button twice will result in a pause. Adjust the speed of the scene by adjusting the level up and down.